Do it again. Alright, anything you have to say before this video?
Yeah. Catch me on the entertainment. Bang. Get that close. Bang. Bang. Yeah. Hell yeah, I roll it up. Now go ahead, get smoke it up. Fuck you mean can't get enough, so I fuck the bitch all in the butt. I took the bitch quick in the cut. Fuck you mean she got a nut. I already know that she came back, so get it up. Get it up, I get it real. Cause you know I keep it real. This nigga run up on me, don't come all up in my grill. Cause I'ma knock him right out. Know what I'm rapping all about. Hell yeah, this is a drop, and you know what I'm talking about. People walking in, looking at me like this ain't no video. Already know, hell yeah, you could catch me in the studio. Hell yeah, boy, I got that gun. You tell nigga better run. Go on here, stick it out your tongue. Yeah, I'm ballin' like LeBron. I'm coming hard, I'm coming hard. I've been hard from the fucking start. Fuck you mean, boy, I'll rip out your fucking heart. Ain't no plan, you know I'm Afro man. Hell yeah, you know it's me, Loki and CCM. Yeah, we on the stand, you know we is friends. That's my partner now. Hell yeah, and we get it in. We could smoke, we could drink, anything as long as you don't stink. I don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, I look it good in my pink. I'm real good, I'm real good. Yeah, so I'm real hood. Any nigga talking shit, cause you know they ain't gonna be good. I'ma knock this shit right out the mouth. Fuck you mean this is a rap. Is a nigga run up and you know what I'm talking about. Take that popsicle, man, and I pass it to somebody. Ain't nobody playing, cause you know that boy do karate. I chopped over all on the body. I already know what it is right. Like I said, hell yeah, boy, don't make me mad. That's it. Put that on YouTube.